students, today we will discuss about introduction of complex numbers. Now let us see number systems in mathematics. The first of all, n. N means natural numbers. We know that the natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, and this is first circle indicates natural numbers. Then whole numbers. Whole numbers means which contains natural numbers and 0. It is denoted by W. Next, Z. Integers. Integers means all negative numbers, 0 positive numbers. That means it contains whole numbers, natural numbers and also negative numbers. Then Q. Rational numbers. Rational numbers means it is in the form of P by Q. That is all fractionals, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. Is nothing but rational number set. It is denoted by Q. And next to Q dash, it indicates irrational numbers. That means other than rational numbers. Other than rational numbers means also nothing but other than integers, other than whole numbers, other than natural numbers are called irrational numbers. We know that irrational numbers means, for example, root 2, root 3, root 5 and so on. Then the combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers are nothing but real numbers. It is denoted by capital R. Capital R contains irrational numbers, rational numbers, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. Now, other than real numbers are nothing but imaginary numbers. This we'll discuss afterwards. Here, the combination of real numbers and imaginary numbers are called complex numbers. Here, complex numbers containing all types of numbers in mathematics, and this is also called head of the mathematics in numbers. As a part of complex numbers, we have to discuss imaginary numbers. Here, let us see what is the meaning of imaginary. For example, if you take quadratic equation, x square plus 1 is equal to 0, that implies x square is equal to minus 1. That implies x is equal to under root minus 1. Here, under root minus 1, till now, which is not possible, because for any negative number, the square root is not possible. So that here, the person Euler introduced the word imaginary. Here, root minus 1 indicates the symbol I. I into 1 is equal to I. That is root minus 1 equal to I, which is called imaginary number. Similarly, another example, root minus 2 can be written as root minus 1 into 2. That is equal to root minus 1 into root 2. Root minus 1 means I root 2. I root 2 is another imaginary number. Similarly, root minus 3 is equal to root minus 1 into 3. That is equal to root minus 1 into root 3, which is nothing but I root 3. These are the examples for imaginary numbers. Now, already we know that I is equal to root minus 1, which is called imaginary number. Now let us see I square is equal to, we can write I into I, means root minus 1 into root minus 1 is equal to minus 1. I cube is equal to I square into I. Already we know that I square is minus 1. I square is minus 1 into I. Minus 1 into I is equal to minus I. Then I power 4 is equal to I square into I square. I square means minus 1 and I square means minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. So that means I is equal to root minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. I cube is equal to minus I power 4 is equal to 1. And I power 5, I power 6, I power 7 and so on will be repeated from I square, I cube, I power 4, etc. Now, let us see representation of complex numbers. First of all, complex number set denoted by capital C, which is equal to ordered pair A comma B such that A comma B belongs to R. That means every complex numbers can be written as ordered pair. That means A comma B. Here A is called real part and B is called imaginary part. Now let us see another form. Z. Z also notation of complex number. Z is equal to A plus IB. That is equal to ordered pair A comma B. Here A is called real part of complex number. IB is called imaginary part of complex number. In this way, the complex numbers are represented. Some more notations like Z1 is equal to A1 plus IB1. That can be written as ordered pair A1 comma B1. Similarly, Z2 is equal to A2 plus IB2. That means ordered pair A2 comma B2. So in this way we can represent remaining complex numbers also.